Yeah, his friends. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. You know when you love someone and you just fall in love with them. It's in the streets, you just see the wedding. Even if you are a child, your whole life is perfect with him. And he wants to go, he wants to see others. I don't know what it is, I don't know what it is. He can't live without you and you know it, my love. Because he didn't want to ask me to leave him, you're gone, baby. He went with the blessings, he went with the blessings. Oh, I had a girl